If you want to enable double tap to turn on and off the screen on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to settings, then tap on lock screen, and over here you will find the option of double tap to wake or turn off the screen. Now just enable this toggle, and by enabling this toggle you will be able to turn on and off your screen by double tapping the screen, and this option will only work when you are on the classic theme or on the limitless theme. Now if you want to enable double tap to turn off the screen on the home screen, just go to settings and tap on home screen, and over here you will find the option of double tap to lock the screen, and by enabling this toggle you will enable the double tap to lock the screen on the home screen of your Redmi 15C, just like that. And this is how you can enable double tap to turn on and off the screen on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.